Make you laugh when you feel like crying. Make you wanna live when you feel like dying.
Starting spur linebacker, that's kind of their hybrid linebacker safety position. Osovich over the middle in traffic, and we've got our first score of the game, a touchdown. Thompson steps up, throws back of the end zone, and a touchdown, and that's Shaq rolling.
Dylan Thompson, though, clearly an excellent passer. And they complement each other well. You get runs like this one.
Mike Davis waltzes into the end zone.
The guy that makes a hit, that keeps on hitting.
It was in the first quarter, I believe, number 12. Joey Fuller, who's listed as a wide receiver, was ruled ineligible on 2 consecutive plays, and there it is! There it is!
To Clowney.
Davion Clowney!
Oh, he wasn't down. He wasn't down. It's a touchdown.
Ruled a touchdown, of course.